This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's Gumball machine ornament. In this kit, you will receive everything you need to assemble your Gumball machine, including a mini terracotta pot, a clear plastic ornament, a paintbrush, paints, glue, pom-poms, which will be used as your gumballs, and a piece of string. To begin, paint your terracotta pots with the paints included. You can either paint it a whole solid color or paint a design on it. The choice is yours. Once you are happy with how your terracotta pot turned out, set it aside to dry. Then you are going to take your plastic ornament, pop off the top, it should come off fairly easily, open up the bag of pom-poms and begin to fill up the ornament with the pom-pom. Those will be your gumballs. Once you have filled your ornament up with the pom-poms, reattach the top of the ornament. Take some glue and attach the ornament to the top of the terracotta pot. Allow this to dry for at least 24 hours. Take your string, tie it into a knot, and then loop it through the ornament. Once it is fully dry, you can hang your ornament wherever you'd like or just place it on a shelf for a display. Happy creating, and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.